We are live, so you can start.
Okay.
Perfect.
Good morning, students. Good morning. Good morning, students. If you guys can just identify if you guys are ready for our Kahoot session that we have discussed on Friday. As I've said, we will be doing a Kahoot session. Last week, we have covered various question papers and sections to focus on when answering exam questions. So for today, we will do our Kahoot session. I have made the pin available for you guys, and if you guys can just indicate, then we can start with our challenge for today. Thank you. We are just waiting for more players. We have Tina and Braden so far. I hope you guys went over the notes, the weekend, the notes that we have done last week, or the notes that you took during our lessons. Remember, we said that note taking is important. It also helps you to remember important facts. So if you have your notes, please make use of them. A few more minutes for the others to join, then we can start off. If there's another person, we have three players now, guys. Is everyone ready for the challenge today? I will give you guys 2 more minutes before we will do our challenge. To those of you that still need to join, we are just waiting on you guys. I have made the pin available for you. One more minute left, and then we will start for today with our Kahoot challenge. I hope everyone is ready to challenge each other. And please read the questions carefully and listen carefully. Okay, we have 7 players so far, so I think we are going to start now. Please be ready, guys. We do not have a lot of questions, but please make sure you understand what is asked of you.
There is one student that's just trying to come on now, Tyrese. Maybe just give him a second to join in.
Okay, I'll just wait 1 more minute. Remember, I've watched you guys play Kahoot challenges in your previous classes, so I will see today how well you guys are. Just waiting for one more. Right, Tyrese is in. We are officially 8 players, so we will start our challenge for today. Thank you so much, guys, once again for tuning in every day. Please give it your best and enjoy. Right, we are starting question 1. What is a study plan? For red, a set schedule of how to study through the year. Blue, a piece of paper with numbers. Yellow, someone that plans study methods. And green, a basic person. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you all chosen the correct answer. We will move on to the next question. I see our odds there, 75, 25%, the way you guys have answered. Also, if you cannot hear me properly, please just give an indication in the chat section. Question 2, what are emotions? For red, a set of feelings that allows us to react a certain way. For blue, being angry all the time. Yellow, acting out with moods. And lastly, green, being happy and sad. A set of feelings that allows you to react in a certain way. Thank you so much, guys. We will go over to question 3. What are the different study methods? For red, note taking, mind mapping, and active listening. For blue, reading and listening. Yellow, we have skills for studying. And lastly, green, being able to take notes. And we have our answer there, note taking, mind mapping, and active listening. That is correct, yes. Is discrimination fair? Red, yes, because you can say what you feel. Blue, no, never. Yellow, it's just pure judgment. And green, no, because you should not discriminate. And I see our odds are there. 14% of you guys said red. The other 43% goes to blue, and another 43% goes to green. Our answer there is actually blue. No, never. Question 5, is physical activity important? Red, yes, because it helps keep you healthy. Blue, no, it's a waste of time. Yellow, maybe, I guess we could say so. And green, probably. Yes, it is healthy because it keeps your body healthy. Thank you so much, guys. We are doing awesome with our first try on Kahoot, or my first try with you guys on Kahoot. Question 6, what is a life role? Red, the role you have throughout life. Blue, being a child or a student. Yellow, the roles where you decide how to live. And lastly, green, being able to cope with life. Yes, the role you have throughout life. Now, see, some of you guys said roles where you decide how to live. It could also be that answer, yes, but it could also be the first answer. Question 7, name 2 factors that can affect your self-awareness. Red, emotional regulation and sexual orientation. Blue, positive self-esteem and coping with life. Yellow, self-development and self-image. Green, thinking clearly. Thank you so much, guys. Emotional regulation and sexual orientation. That is our answer. Thank you so much. We're moving on to our next question. Right, question 8. Name 2 types of physical activity. Red, stretching and flexibility. Blue, endurance. Green, stretching and hydration. Yellow, muscle strength and running. 4, here we go. 2 types of physical activity, stretching and flexibility, yes, as well as muscle strength and running. Thank you so much, guys. We are moving on. Question 9. Name 2 types of reading skills. Red, skimming and scanning. Blue, scanning and reading thoroughly. Yellow, quick reading and listening. Green, note taking and mind mapping. 2, 1, finished. Yes, our answer is skimming and scanning only. So our answer there is skimming and scanning. You see, guys, it is important to read and to make sure you understand the question properly so that you will know how to answer the question. We are moving on to our next question. Why is note taking important? Red, it helps you remember what you have learned. Blue, it allows you to plan ahead. Yellow, it allows you to highlight important words, and green, it creates new ideas for your work method. It helps you to remember what you have learned, yes, but it is also important and also helps you to highlight important words. So if you have red or yellow, that will also be correct. Question 11. During this pandemic, what is one of the safety measures you cannot go without? Red, washing your hands. Blue, wearing a mask. C, staying home. And green, all of the above. Yes, all of the above is correct. You need to wash your hands at all times. You need to wear your mask and you need to stay home if possible. So our answer there is green. All of the above is correct. Our last question, question 12, list one way on how to cope with trauma. Red, speaking to someone you trust. Blue, getting enough sleep. Yellow, thinking and speaking with yourself. Green, acting rebellious over what happens. Yes, speaking to someone you trust. Thank you so much, guys. I hope all of you guys enjoyed it. And we will have a look at the review right now. Just give me a moment, guys. I am downloading the results and I will give you guys the results tomorrow. So thank you so much, guys, for participating in today's lesson. Thank you for allowing me to try out my first Kahoot challenge with you guys. I know you guys are very well at the Kahoots that you are doing in your various classes. Please continue studying. Please continue going over your notes, going over the revision that we have done. We will do a Kahoot challenge at least once a week. So depending on how well you guys are, how well we are participating with each other, we can do a Kahoot challenge once per week. So thank you so much, guys, for all your hard work and your participation. Thank you for tuning in every day. I know most of you guys wanted to sleep late today because the weather is nice and rainy, and I know you guys wanted to be in bed. But thank you so much, guys, for taking out your time and still allowing yourself to learn something new every day. Thank you so much, guys, for continuing with your hard work and participation.